Hello, welcome to My Life is Mathron channel. Today we will discuss about April 2nd Shift 1 JEE Mains question. Here given equation. The quadratic equation given quadratic equation x into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x plus 3 plus x plus 2 into x plus 4 and so on x plus n minus 1 into x plus minus plus 1 is equal to 4n. It is given equation. The roots are alpha comma alpha plus 2. The roots are. So, first general quadratic equation. I will write the sigma notation. Sigma of k is equal to 1 to n. The nth terms x plus k minus 1, x plus k plus 1. There is equal to sigma of k is equal to 1 to n, x plus k whole square minus 1 square whole bracket. There is equal to sigma of k is equal to 1 n, x square plus 2kx plus k square minus 1. There is equal to sigma apply x square into sum of the n ones. So nx square 2k 2m plus 2x into here k sum of the n natural numbers n into n plus 1 by 2 plus k square sum of the square of the natural numbers n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Here minus 1 means sum of the natural numbers minus sum of the ones n ones minus n. There is equal to 4n. There is equal to n x square 2 cancel plus n into n plus 1 into x plus n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 2n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6 minus n minus 4n is equal to 0. There is equal to n x square plus n into n plus 1 x plus n into n plus both multiply you will get 2n square plus n plus 2n plus 1 whole by 6 minus 5n is equal to 0. Take n common. X square plus n plus 1 into x plus n common 2n square plus 3n plus 1 minus 30 n common, we will get only 30. There is equal to 0 whole by 6. There is equal to n center side x square plus n plus 1 into x plus 2n square plus 3n minus 29 by 6 is equal to 0. So we know that sum of the roots alpha plus 2 is equal to minus b by a. So minus of n plus 1 by a means 1. 2 alpha plus 2 is equal to minus n minus 1. Next alpha into alpha plus 2 is equal to 2n square plus 3n minus 29 by 6 whole by 1 means 1. So 2 alpha is equal to minus n minus 1 minus 2. Alpha is equal to minus n minus 3 by 2. Alpha is equal to, submit here, minus n minus 3 by 2 minus n minus 3 by 2 plus 2 is equal to 2n square plus 3n minus 29 by 6 minus n minus 3 by 2 minus n minus 3 plus 4 by 2. There is equal to 2n square plus 3n minus 29 by 6. Minus n minus 3 into 1 minus n by 4. 2n square plus 3n minus 29 by 6. 2 2 0, 2 3 0. Minus n minus n square plus n square minus 3 plus 3n is equal to whole by 2 is equal to 2n square plus 3n minus 29 by 3 minus 3n plus 3n square minus 9 plus 9n is equal to 4n square plus 6n minus 58 n square 6n 6n cancel n square 4n square y square you will get to minus 49 is equal to 0. N is equal to 7, n is equal to minus 7. So negative not possible. So n is equal to 7. Is equal to alpha is equal to minus n minus 3 by 2. So alpha is equal to minus 7 minus 3 by 2. Alpha is equal to minus 10 by 2. Alpha is equal to minus 5. Alpha is equal to. So n plus alpha is equal to n means 7 minus 5. That is equal to 2. Please subscribe for more videos.